10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
This is our second year of doing these balloon launches. We had a number of student experiments launch on a weather balloon, and we're hoping that the students had a great experience with their science experiments that they put on there.
The class, they helped with the payload as well. We voted on what we would put in there, inside the payload.
Talking about micro experiments, whether something was going to explode or freeze or whatever the fact it may be happen up there, it was something that they just totally grasped onto and just took with them and ran with it.
Our class chose different types of chocolates.
We decided on watermelon.
One of the experiments that they placed on this balloon was watermelon, and whether or not the change in temperature and pressure at altitudes of around 100,000 feet will cause the water to separate from the flesh of the watermelon.
I think it's going to take the water out.
So much of what we are about in STEM education is being hands-on and giving kids a real opportunity to do calculations.
We're going to track it with the GPS, and we have 3 GoPro cameras on it to see what would happen to our solutions that we put on it.
Look at the data from the Eagle computer and see all the different variables that happen. The altitude it actually went up to, the temperature it was at that height, and kind of examine our micro experiments after that.
I think you'll pop in the stratosphere, maybe closer to the mesosphere.
So far, I think the highest altitude that we got was about 90,000 feet for this year. In the past, we've gotten up to well over 100.
You'd see boys and girls just loving it. The whole time they were talking about this, they just kept reiterating how much they loved doing this. They thought this was the coolest thing.
I thought it was very exciting for us to see that 5th grade got to do such a fun experiment.